Good morning, my friend. Courtney Richardson here, Tameron Honda in Hoover, reaching out to you on behalf of the website that you inquired in online for one of those beautiful 2019 Honda CR-Vs in our luxury package. Now, some of the standard features that you will get on this one, besides your power windows, AC and heat, you will pick up reverse camera standard, Bluetooth capabilities, hands-free access, tons of space on this vehicle. One of the best mid-size SUVs in its class right here. Loaded down with features. Can't fit them all into this short video, but I'd love to set some time aside for you to come by and experience one of these vehicles for yourself. So if you don't mind just reaching out to me at 205-261-8732, I guarantee you one thing: when you do make it here to Tameron Honda, you are going to love the way you're treated.